Hi, welcome to Lights for All Occasions. I'm Sarah, and you've probably seen our Vintage Chic lookbook online. This showcases a really popular look for weddings this year that I know is going to stick around for a long time. It's a very timeless look. And this is showcasing our shabby and cottage floral birdcage that you see right here, plus a few other products we're going to bring in to really create this beautiful display that highlights that really beautiful vintage chic look. And I know you're going to love it, so stick around. I'll show you how to put it together. The items you'll need for this display are our set of bird cages. You'll need our large glass orbs, some scissors, some ribbon, preferably the organza ribbon. It ties nice and tight, and any silk or fresh flowers that you would like to use. So we're going to start with our tall bird cage, and the ribbon that we've chosen is our organza ribbon because it's so delicate. It can tie a knot very tightly. We're dealing with glass orbs, so we want to make sure it's nice and secure. So the organza ribbon ties a nice tight knot for that, and you're going to use the bird cage to measure the length of your ribbon. Our first length is going to be measured from the very top to the very bottom, and then the second one you're going to want to measure from the first ring, the third one to the second ring, and then the fourth one to the third ring. And then you'll have a varying length of your hanging orbs. That makes it very beautiful display. All right, the second thing you're going to do is fill your orbs, and you can use fresh flowers, silk flowers, or any other item that you'd like to use that fits the theme of your event. I already have one filled for you. I'm going to show you how to tie this on and put it into your birdcage. Now I'm going to show you how to tie on your ribbons to the inside of the cage. This is the inside of the top of the lid, and you want to space your ribbons evenly apart. So we're just pretending like this is a clock, and I've tied the first one at 12 o'clock, at 3 o'clock, and then just one at 9 o'clock. I'm going to show you how to do the one at 6 o'clock. And it's really simple. You cut your ribbon at an angle and just weave it through the bottom of the lid. Tie a simple knot, just like that, and now we're ready to tie on our globes. Now that we've tied on our ribbon, I'm going to show you how to tie on the glass orbs to the ribbon. And the first three we've done for you. You want to make sure you start with the longest one first and then work your way up. And you will have to do a little bit of adjusting to make sure the height is exactly how you'd like it. Let me show you how to tie on our last one. You want to be really careful because they are delicate, and it does get a little top heavy when you take the lid off. So just make sure if you want another person with you to keep it stable, and just be really careful. But it's super easy. You're going to take your orb that's already filled with your display, and you're going to string it through the top. Tie a simple knot. And you may have to do a little bit of adjusting once you see it hanging with the other ones. Oopsie. Make sure you leave the same length of tail that the other ones have, so it's pretty uniform and just make a nice clean look. All right, there we go. Secure that there. Now I'm going to close the lid really carefully. All right, do a little adjusting here. Going to fix that. All right. And look how beautiful that is. If you need to make sure the heights are more uniform, then now's the time to readjust. But as you can see, they hang beautifully. The knots are secure. What you have displayed will be on showcase for everyone to see. It's a beautiful thing to put on your table. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how to put together this beautiful display. And if you want to see other videos on how to use our products, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd also love to see your photos, so don't forget to send those to us. And like us on Facebook, see us on Twitter. We would love to hear your feedback and get you back here again. So thanks for watching. We will see you back here next time.